The names, places, addresses, genders have been changed to protect the innocent. Just like a television program, like say Law and Order. They'll use a real situation. They'll insert it into the drama. This is our drama. We're going to go through this together. Blended family inheritance. How to make a distribution plan that best fits your circumstances. Well, often I deal with married couples that are second marriages, or at least definitely a lot of second marriages, and also persons with children from prior relationships, whether they were married or not. So I have a particular story in mind. I have one of the spouses that has 3 children, and the other spouse has 1 child. These persons both had homes. They were a second marriage, and they were a little bit later in life, and they both had homes. One was a widow, and the other was a divorced person. What do they want? Well, they're factually a little bit different. The person with 1 child is estranged from the child, separated. It's an adult child, but they're on the outs. They don't talk. They don't communicate. It's not a good dynamic. And that individual does not want to leave to the child. He wants to, in fact, leave to the children of his spouse and the grandchildren, both the grandchildren of the biological child and the grandchildren of his spouse. There's a lot of love for the step-grandchildren and would like to provide for them. And the other person, the other spouse that has 3 children would like to provide for the 3 children and not the other person's child and not the other person's grandchildren. They're allowed. They're allowed to do that with their own assets. Jointly held assets could be affected differently, and we have to navigate the different distribution plans either through beneficiary designations or in trust for accounts or some jointly held assets with the children. We can navigate that. They'll look at each item individually. And then we can do all of this with a will or with a trust. The trust is a stronger document. It's a more flexible document. It's a document that can live and breathe and grow. That's what we're going to. If you have any questions, please reach out. Check the website, frankbrunolaw.com. Check to see a webinar, blog post, a video. You might find the answer that you're looking for.